Look at that timing.
What's up? How are you doing?
How are you?
Good morning.
Morning.
Morning, Finn.
It's actually a really exciting day for me. This is a project not a lot of people know about, but it's we have a 993 Porsche that we're restoring. It's got a full color change, new interior, all new suspension components, a little bit of a horsepower upgrade. We're gonna do a custom exhaust. And the reason the 993 is so cool, it's an air-cooled car. It's the last of the air-cooled Porsches. And it's been at the body shop, so it's been there for a long time. As these guys like to call it, paint jail. So it's out of paint jail. We're gonna bring it back. We're gonna set it up in its stall. And we got parts organized and ready to go for it. The cool thing is we have a Porsche Tech starting here in a few days. Level Gold Porsche Tech, which is the highest level you can get. So he's gonna be a great asset for this build. It's gonna be amazing. Can't wait to see this car. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be an RSR tribute car. We're gonna get this thing hooked up, get to the body shop, get it loaded, and get it back here. We gotta pick up our blonde co-pilot here. She makes the trip better. Hey, how you doing? Picking up the 993 Porsche? Hey, buddy.
Oh my God, hi.
Wow. This thing. Ooh, wait. It's gonna be a different car. Wow. Do you remember what it looked like?
Yeah.
It's the white one that I drove to the Winslow Cruise.
Yeah. It's like Smurf blue.
It's not Smurf blue. We had casters on these wood blocks.
Yeah, and they broke a few times.
Ah, shit, okay. That's interesting in the sense of how I'm gonna do this. So this thing was vanilla white. You're here at ProTech, they do fantastic work. You can see it's Miami blue now. Problem is our dolly got damaged, well, not their fault, but their wheels broke off our dolly here. So we're gonna go to Home Depot, get some parts real quick so we can secure this thing on the trailer, make sure we have no issues. This thing looks awesome.
We'll have to stick it in that. No, it's not. Yeah, is that long enough? We'll have his glove box. Put it like shove it back in the glove box. Danny, I get enough of that verbal abuse at home. I don't need you saying stuff like, is it long enough? And will you just shove it in there? I really could use without that. I don't want that included in your hours, okay? We got the 993 back here. As you can see, needed all the help to get it off. I love the color. These guys hate the color. Stay tuned to the next episode. See the progress we start making.